I guess east, southeast. Really cool scenery though. This is a yeah, and I got a biker bay. She's quiet now, but when we have the headsets on, getting Arivaca, and we saw this information center and signing off. Thank you guys. We're on this little bitty lake. Hunt, see the deer?
Yeah.
Nature.
Yeah.
Jinx. That thing is, man, we gotta go check that out. Yeah, and you're never looking down at your wheels. You're always looking at, and I'm using the back brake and not so much the front. And just letting the tire a bit of off-road. This is not like a hardcore off-road mode. Yeah. Oh shit, oh shit. And rocks happen.